Fourth dimension is not as fourth as you may think. It mostly comes from two things. First of all, the illusion of different directions, and second of all, the fact that in English we just prefer simpler ways to say things. So first of all, on Earth we have the illusion of different directions, which means we have right, left, forward, backward, up and down. And that is actually a bit of an issue. Forwards and backwards exist mostly because we can see forward, we can see backwards. Right and left exists because, well, even though our body is symmetric, usually something is easier to grab on the right instead of the left hand. Up and down is the most obvious one because that's just the direction of gravity. Things fall down. But the thing is, in reality, if I were to show you a picture of space and ask you where up, down, forward, backwards, left or right is, you would probably have only one answer, which is relative to you. You would probably point like this. But in reality, that's not true. There is no up, down, right, left, forward or backwards. No. 3 dimension just means in order to describe position of a point, you need 3 different values. That you need the 3 dimensions for that object. In relation to something, but yeah, 3 values. That's why 4th dimension wouldn't exactly be 4th. It would be one of the 4. Because there is no way to check which one of these is first. They all would be appropriate. The only thing I did is just switched up the colors of the axis. All of them have the same dimensions. And that's why it's not really the 4th dimension, but it's one of the 4 dimensions. If you are talking about 4, if you're talking about 5, then it's one of the 5, 6, one of the 6, and you get the point. Now, should you stop saying 4th dimension? No. If you say 4th dimension, everyone gets what you mean, but you should still remember that there is no such thing as 4th dimension.